Ganda dito guys, lamig. Wow. Para, may mga ganito, para man lumamig. Aircon siya. Sobrang lamig ng lugar guys. This is the last day in Shanghai. Balik na kami ng Bangkok. Later, ng gabi. Ngayon, kape muna. We need to go back to Bangkok na. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga pupuntahan natin for today's video, so stay tuned. Royal Park. Dito? Exit the roundabout. Then you will arrive at your destination. Ito. You've arrived. Parking mo lang. Royal Park. Muulan lang eh. Makakababa tayo dito. Pati dito ka na sa sasakyan ako bababa. Hindi dito ko sabihin. Ano ba sabi mo? Ikot ka muna. Ikot. Dali, daanan mo lang yun. Ayan o, ganda o. Wow. Ganda. Ayan o guys. Pasok tayo. Ay, nakasara. May ano? May... Guys, umuulan. Iniisip namin kung papasok kami o hindi kasi kailangan namin magbayad ka. So, pag nagbayad naman kami, hindi namin siya may ikot ng buo gawa ng ang lakas ng ulan. Maikot lang ng buo pero umuulan. Hindi ko alam kung magiging maganda yung option ng video, but still, ayan siya guys. Yeah, let's go inside guys. Bayad kami 200 baht. Rain or shine to, let's go. Ganda. Entrance pa lang, bongga na. Ito. Wow. May sasakay kami ang bus to tour around siguro kasi maulan guys, it's raining hard. Ayun, Doon sa 200 baht na binayaran namin guys, meron ng kasama na tram. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin dito, pero siguro ito yung magtuturo sa amin alam. Kasi masyado siyang malaki para lakarin. So, we'll see. Let's go. Dalawa lang kami. Let's go. Yun yung isa, oh. Hindi kami dalawa lang nandito. Sobrang daming space. So,
carried out and passed on to the Thai people. Then, the library building that collects knowledge about agriculture, biodiversity, and the royal duties of the Thai monarch, especially King Rama IX, for tourists and interested people to learn more. The next building on the left-hand side is a photography exhibition, a commemorative building to ensure that His Majesty King Bhumibol will live on in our heart eternally. Next, on the right-hand side is a replica of the traditional Thai house. That was their houses along the Chao Phraya River, and they built the river front pavilions on the bank of the river to make it a small port and use it for relaxing. Next, on the left is the garden from the Bank of Thailand. Inside, there is an exhibition of knowledge about the mission of the Bank of Thailand and also the internal savings and the accounting income. You can also learn how to observe the differences between real and counterfeit banknotes here. This is the tram stop number 1.
tram stop number 1. So,
on the right is New Theory Agriculture Garden. Inside this garden, you can see and learn a brilliant concept invented by King Bhumibol. The main concept is sustainable agriculture, which is the method of living within economy. It enables people to be more self-reliant without depending on outside aid for support. This method involves dividing land into 4 parts, agriculture, animal farms, and settlements. On the left-hand side, runs Thai Bank Garden. This garden is under the concept of energy reduction and promoting the use of renewable energy. The next garden on the left-hand side is the bank for agriculture and agricultural cooperative garden, decorated under the concept that should be called. This garden shows the life of Thai farmers. Along those sides are the rough oak trees or even Thai have been planted to create cool shade environment. These trees will give the white flowers and are beginning the winter season of Thailand, and they have a very pleasant fragrance. The next garden is the Amazing Mars Garden by Jissac. This section is related to living on Mars. If humans are one day required to live on Mars, what factors are required and how will Mars be changed to make it habitable by humans? In front of the building is an example of the surface of Mars. On the right-hand side is CP Garden. In the building, there are exhibitions of the various projects of the Royal Princess Karinjorn, such as a project to help students in rural areas, project for raising chickens for food. On the left-hand side, the orchid pavilion where contains around 400 species of orchids and those named offerings. In fact, the unique and beautiful.
I like, yeah,
Also,
thank you.
the color glass house.
Another time to do 15 minutes.
okay. Kapag ka orchid farm, guys. Wow. Not bad na, no? Binayaran natin, may service, tas ay dalawa.
Nung nagpatakad ka na, naglakad na.
Okay.
Pero
may ganyan.
Meron din.
Meron din. Pero,
kaya nun, yung mga museum doon, hindi natin
binaba. Okay. Ay. Ganda. Wow. Hindi guys, orchid farm. Ano? Dance. Orchids. Wow. Hindi tayo pupunta doon guys kasi alam siya. Pero, hindi, guys, air conditioning dito. Naka-aircon yung mga halaman. Lamig. No, lamig dito sobrang parang ano. Para kang nasa snow. Wow. Pero yung mga halaman dito, hindi sila nabubuhay sa mainit na weather. Kaya sobrang lamig dito sa loob. Ganda, no? Grabe. Mig! Woo! Ganda dito, guys. Lamig. Wow. Para, may mga ganito, para man lumamig. Aircon siya. Sobrang lamig ng lugar, guys. Ganda. Wow. Ang ganda. Grabe. Theater of Art and Nation. Principal. Galing. Ganda. Wow. King Brahman na rin. So guys, andito sa museum na to, parang in-explain kung bakit ginawa tong Royal Park. Kasi as per the king, yung king bago yung king nila ngayon, ay yung ibang mga tao daw kasi wala silang chance na makapunta sa iba't ibang bansa. So the main or the sole purpose nitong Royal Park na to is para kahit daw dito lang sila pumunta kung para silang naikot na yung mundo. Ang galing sobrang galing. Kaya naintindihan ko rin kung bakit ganun katindi yung pagmamahal ng mga tao dun sa dating hari. Naglaro ang bata. Balik na tayo doon. Baka hinahanap na tayo ni Kuya. 15 minutes lang lang. Tapos may chinelas. Uy, may taas pa. Wow. Wait lang tayo. Hinahanap na. Wala na. Sakyan namin. Oh, wala. Ito yun ba? Parang Muslim museum. Ayun po dito. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, ay. Hindi. Marrakech. Morocco. Ano to? Sahara. Marrakech. Essaouira. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pronunciation ko, but takot na madalas mo naman. Madilit. Here. Oo, ganito ba? Ulan, pero para sa inyo. Kaya dapat guys, please do watch the videos. Wow! Wow! Look at that. Oh, wow. okay din mag-shuttle. Kaso kasi guys, kapag naka-shuttle, tuloy-tuloy lang siya. Kumaga parang hindi kami makakababa sa mga makikita namin kapag sumakay lang kami ng shuttle. So we decided to walk. Wow. Look at that. Kaso hindi ata makakapasok dito. Pero still, lapitan natin. Nakita niyo yung ganda guys. Sobrang ganda. Ang ganda guys, grabe. Hindi nga lang pwede yata pumasok. Kasi may harang siya. Pero sobrang ganda. Sa gilid.
Nako-cover siya ng ulan.
Ganda guys, no? Sabi, ganda. Sobrang ganda. Sa paligid niya, ganda din. Hindi nga talaga pwede pumasok na harang. Rain or shine, let's go! Cute guys, oh. Ang park nila. Cute, no? Sobrang laki nito guys. So, hindi natin alam kung paano natin siya iikutin. But still, lakad lang tayo ng lakad. Kasi, ganda. Nakakalakaan. Ay, work in progress. ito yung bago eh. Siya exit. Cannot get him. Diba? Entrance. Turkish garden. Wow. So pretty. Japan naman. Nasa Japan pala tayo ko. Cute naman dito. Ito kasi Japan. Ah, okay. Ito. Okay, oh. Yeah, Shizuoka Yamanahi pala. Ito. Miniature siya. Wow. Ay, cherry blossoms pa dito. Cute! Cutie! Oh, diba? Nasa Japan na ako, guys. Oh, nasa Japan ako. Yung kabila hindi natin pwede tapusin kasi ano siya, close under renovation to. Yeah. Sit. Welcome to Indonesia. Oh. We are traveling to India. Oh, India. Guys, comment down below nga kung anong lugar sa India to. If you know. Sabi. Ito daw yung mga asok tree. Asoke, whatever. Basta yan. Galing, no? Galing. Ito. Wat Cheng Tong. Oldest beautiful of the monastery in Wolong, Prabang, and Laos. Legend, the founding of the town.
Hindi ko sure kung Lao o Laos, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. Comment down below.
Muna tayo sa loob. Ganda. Laos. Wow. Visit Laos. Ba? Ako din. Galing ako dun. Ganda guys. Pabalik yan. Wow, ganda. Uy, may mga may mga paru-pari. May paru-pari. Yan o, live paru-paro. Sige nyo ba guys? Kaya pala ganyan yung harang para hindi sila siguro makalabas. Ganda. Wow. Ganda guys, no? Oh, bubog na po. Ayan, kita na dito. Bilang sila dito guys. Ang sabi, nililipad-lipad. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Ba't ibang klase ng insect guys? Ayun. Ayun. Wow. Sila. Hindi mo papansin kung hindi mo makikita. Ang galing. Ayan o. Oh my God guys, nakikita nyo. Ayan siya o. Ayan, ayan. Mukha talaga siyang nagdahon. Galing. Ito sa... Galing. Grabe. Tarantula. Different sizes, different species ng mga butterfly at butterflies. Wow. Ganda. Gusto ko maglaro kaso maputik eh. Mahirap guys. Magputik dito.
Pag mabaho, iwan.
Magpuputik tayo mga bi. Wala, na-miss ko yung mga estudyante ko guys. Yung i-balancing. Ang batay naglaro. Naga naman. Ganda. Ganda dito. Talagang ilagay. Wow, ang ganda no? Iba-ibang color guys ng flowers. Ano? Oh, Sudan guys. No, which country is Sudan? Comment down below guys if you know anything about Sudan. Wow. Cute. Okay, yung garden. Ito yung pinasok ko kanina guys.
And thus is an Indian garden containing a combination of British, Hindu, and Islamic nice. In fact, we have planted the tree Mahapo tree, cannonball tree, and we also have an image of Lord Ganesh, the Lord of Success, which is worshipped as deity by Hindu and Buddha. The next garden on the left is the garden from Nepal, which recreates important cultural sites, such as Lumpini Park and Mount Everest, and has also brought Sakyamuni from Nepal to be enshrined here. Next, on the right-hand side is a garden from Belgium. This garden is decorated with bromeliad, and it represents a shelter covered with artificial grass representing the waves on sandy beaches of Belgium. On the right-hand side is King Rama Honor Park, where is honoring kings of the Chakri dynasty and reminding visitors of their prestigious deeds. There are 10 sculptures in total. This is tram stop number 4. Next, Bhutan Garden with the ancient Bhutan architecture. You will see the typical clay-welded rock wall and Sheikh Yamuni image from Bhutan. On the right is a Kenyan garden decorated with African flora, including baobab tree and horseradish tree. Also, there are the replica of that clay house. Next, the garden from China, baked around the concept of the Tang Dynasty architecture during a period when Buddhism was dominant. On the left-hand side is there a single full shrine of Mahalopakutin, which is encircled by 6 lion figures. On the right is the Garden of Netherlands, featuring windmill, colorful flowers, and wooden shoot for cloth. In fact, on the right, along this road, there are 7 gardens: Vietnamese garden, Malaysian garden, Japanese garden, bank. Along with the streets on both sides are the sugar plum trees brought from the country, planted in 2006. On the right-hand side is the Mara rubber tree garden. The rubber tree inside the garden brought from the exotic plants of Thailand at the right. It makes these from the country, gathering plants that can be easily grown and easily cared for, such as Plumeria and Christ thorn. On the right is the Grand Amphitheater.
Pagpasok mo sa aeroplano.
Iniwan na namin yung gamit namin para wala kaming bit-bit pareho. Maggagala muna kami sa Ochan. Kasi mamaya pa naman eh. Mamaya pa kami. Babalik kami dito sa airport 9 o'clock. Kasi yung flight namin is 10:40 pa. O, diba? Wala kaming dala. Ayos.